How to only me all post in Facebook. First of all, launch the Facebook applications on your device. Make sure to log in and sign in to the particular account. And after that, you need to simply tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Now, on this section, you need to scroll down and choose Settings and Privacy. Under Settings and Privacy, select Settings. On this page, scroll down, locate your activity log. Select that. Now choose Public Post at top left corner of the screen. And here you will see all your public posts on Facebook. So in order to only me all post in Facebook, simply you need to select all at top left corner of the screen and all your posts will be selected that are public. Now tap three dots at bottom right corner of the screen and choose Change Audience. Tap Change Audience button and select Only Me. Now tap Change button and then all of your posts on Facebook has been changed to Only Me and then hidden from all your friends or other people on Facebook. So that's how you can easily only me all post in Facebook. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.